It took just 15 minutes to cook these juicy, moist, delicious chicken skewers. I made them in my air fryer oven and they were perfect for a post-gym healthy meal which was packed with protein and nutrients. First up, I marinated the chicken with some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, red crushed chilies, paprika and some mixed herbs. I then went ahead and added some coriander, some soy sauce, some mayonnaise and some olive oil. I then chopped up half an onion and put that in with the chicken and gave it a really good mix. I then arranged the chicken cubes on some metal skewers and then I put them on the air fryer oven tray. So I put these in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 200°C. While they're cooking away nicely, I made some garlic butter garnish for the chicken. I just melted some butter, added some coriander, some garlic, I put that in the microwave for 1 minute. The skewers are now done, I just brushed them on with that garlic butter and they were ready to serve.